Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into crypto, buckle up because this week could change everything. In today's video, we're diving deep into the latest crypto trends, upcoming economic events, and what they could mean for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins in the week of April 7th to 11th, 2025. This isn't just another market update. It's a roadmap to help you navigate what could be a very volatile week. Let's get into it. Market overview. Let's start with the current crypto landscape. It's been a rough ride lately. Global trade tensions and economic instability are shaking the markets. Here are the most recent price points for major cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is trading around $77,536, down 7.08% from last week. Ethereum is at $1,566.92, down 13.13%. Binance Coin sits at $554.51, with a drop of 6.44%. XRP is currently at $1.89, a loss of 11.68%. Cardano is at $0.5702, down 12.70%. And Solana is at $104.68, down 12.80%. A pretty sharp correction across the board. But is this a warning sign or a setup for a rebound? Key economic events. This week, 3 major economic events are lined up that could heavily impact the crypto markets. On April 9th, the Federal Reserve will release the minutes from its March meeting. This could give us major insights into the Fed's future monetary policy decisions. On April 10th, the March Consumer Price Index, CPI data will be released. This is a crucial indicator of inflation. A higher than expected CPI could spark market volatility. Then on April 11th, we'll get the Producer Price Index, PPI data, and the preliminary consumer sentiment numbers for April. These events don't just move Wall Street, they impact crypto too, especially with investor sensitivity at an all-time high. Altcoin forecasts. Let's shift to altcoins, where some surprising opportunities might be brewing despite the volatility. Gate token is currently priced at $23.50, just 10% below its all-time high of $25.96. A breakout above $23.94 could lead to a new price discovery zone. BNB is holding strong above key support. But to challenge its all-time high of $793, it needs to break past $741. Mantra, or OM, would need a 40% pump to hit its historical high of $9.17. Watch for a potential breakout if it crosses $7.02. And Cheems, yes, the meme coin, just hit a new high. It needs another 25% jump to set a new record. But keep an eye on the $0.000000166 support level. If that breaks, momentum could stall. Which of these altcoins are you watching this week? Let me know in the comments. Risks and sentiment. Now, before making any moves, let's talk about risk. First, we're seeing rising trade tensions between the US and China. New tariffs are on the table, and that's reviving recession fears. Second, the Fed's stance on interest rates is still uncertain. A hawkish tone in the minutes could spook investors. And finally, the overall market sentiment is fragile. One negative headline could send prices tumbling again. So it's important to stay cautious, manage your risk, and avoid getting caught up in short-term hype. To wrap this up, the week of April 7th to 11 is shaping up to be a major one for crypto. Between key data releases, global tensions, and technical setups on major altcoins, there's a lot at stake. If you're an investor or trader, this is the time to stay sharp, watch the charts, and adapt your strategies accordingly. If you found this breakdown useful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. I'll be posting midweek updates as soon as the CPI and Fed news hit, so you'll want to stay informed. Thanks for watching. Stay smart, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research and evaluate your risk tolerance before investing.